Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating the fastest path. Enable a remote VS Code environment or code space now, because the iPhone runs a client, not the full IDE. Generate an SSH key on your laptop and copy the public key to the remote machine or service. Once done, confirm network access and battery. Make sure Safari can reach the code space or your server. This avoids later permission prompts and gives you immediate access to editor features without installing heavy apps on the phone. Open the Web VS Code client, Codespaces, GitHub, Dev, or your self-hosted code server and sign in. Once connected, adjust font size and line height so text is readable on a small screen, and enable touch gestures or thumb-friendly bindings. This makes navigation efficient. Next, open the Remote File Explorer and integrated terminal so you can edit and run commands. Install only necessary extensions remotely to save memory and keep features consistent. Edit files directly and use the integrated terminal to run quick builds or tests. Prefer small tasks to conserve battery and data. Make frequent Git commits and push from the remote environment so work is backed up. Once done, close the session to free resources. If something goes wrong, first verify your SSH keys and network route, then check the remote service status and clear browser cache. If authorization fails, reupload the public key or re-authenticate. That resolves most connection issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.